Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thinking of launching your own clothing brand or fashion store online? In this video, I will walk you through how to build a fully functional clothing store using Shopify step by step, beginner friendly and no coding needed. Let's get into it. First of all, head to shopify.com and sign up for a free account. Once you are in, choose your store name. This will also be part of your domain like your store.myshopify.com. Next, add your business information, set your store currency, choose your business location. You are now inside your Shopify dashboard. This is your control center. And click online store from here, then themes. Shopify gives you a free themes by default, but for fashion stores, you might want a clean visual styles. Check out free themes like Dawn, Minimalist, and Versatile Craft. Great for lifestyle brands, or explore paid themes like Impulse. Once you find a theme like Craft, click on Customize button from the right side of the page. Now it is installing now. And click on Customize button to start designing. Time to upload your clothing items. Then go to your Shopify admin dashboard. Then add product section, then add product. Add a clear title of the product title section. Then describe your cloth. Write a detailed description, add size and color variants, and add a photo, video, or 3D models. Set inventory, pricing, and shipping information. Repeat this for each item, tops, jeans, accessories, etc. Collections helps you organize your clothing store. Go to product, then collection, then create collection. Examples: men's wear, women's collection, accessories, summer sale. Choose manual to add products yourself or automated using tags like t-shirt or hoodie. Then link your collections to your homepage or menu. Now let's make your homepage pop. Go back to your store theme. You can add a hero banner with your latest collection, highlight featured products, show customer reviews or size guides, add a newsletter, sign up to grow your email list. Drag and drop section to match your brand. Click add section, then select option from here like content from email sign up, image banner, image with text, rich text, collection list, featured collection, feature, product, etc. Use your brand colors, fonts, and logo for a clean, branded feel. Next, go to Settings from your admin dashboard. For payments, setting up, click Payments and activate Shopify payments from payment providers. Click Choose a provider, then choose from here, then head to Setting, then shipping and delivery. To define domestic shopping rates, free shipping options, the zone of international customers. You can also integrate print on demand services like Printful or Spocket if you are not keeping inventory. Now give your store a real web address. Go to Settings, then Domains, buy a new domain or click on connect existing domain from others platform like Namecheap. Once everything looks good, hit publish your site. And before you go, here are a few bonus tips. Add a size chart of uh, add a size chart to reduce returns. Use apps like Upsell, Just.me, and Klaviyo. Promote your store on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Found this helpful? Hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a part 2 on market your store or running ads. Thanks for watching.